Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing a kit lineup for the month of April. So I got a couple of things for you guys to do, right? A couple of kits. I have multiple dolls to choose from. So I want you to, one, let me know which doll you think should I pick to go with that kit. And then two, I want you guys to also let me know of the 4 kits that I'm showing in this video, let me know which 2 memory plan with me's you will be wanting to see me actually post here on YouTube, because I'm definitely not doing all of them. I may only get to 1, but I want at least to have a kind of like general idea which ones are you the most interested in. So definitely let me know. But without further ado, let's jump ahead into this video. All right, for the week of April 3rd, I'm going to be using this kit from Glam Planner. As you see, it is kind of like centered around Pocahontas. This is a mini version of the kit. Super pretty. Love the colors. I just feel like the purples and the blues just really start getting into the spring. So here are the 8 full boxes. You have her functional page, some icons, some sidebar items, headers. You got your deco and scripts here, and then your bottom washi, date covers, and your work labels. And I think I picked this kit a minute ago, and I pulled Tamara out to use for this kit. Like, she is just perfect. Sad because she's the only one I have of her. This is a very like old way of how Gold Mine and Coco used to print their dolls, so it's sad, but you know, maybe I can plead my case to get her back. But yeah, this is going to be for that first full week of April. All right, and this is for the week of April 10th. Nothing still going on at all, but I again have been wanting to use this kit into, you know, using what I have as best as I can, you know, without letting FOMO get to me. So this is a anniversary kit that was released by Lilac Luna Plans Co. They are no longer open. I'm sorry, but I did go ahead and purchase this bundle, which included like all of these things here. I also got some washi. I'm not really sure. It may actually be this washi. I think it's this washi too I got with it. Like, it was a lot of different things. I got like it was like a clip or something like that. If I could find the video that I hauled it, I'll link it for you guys. But yeah, so I just wanted to go ahead and use it. It is Sailor Moon inspired. So yeah, let me show you what the kit looks like. The kit itself is called Lilac Moon. As you see, it is a no foiled kit here. Very like pastel colors. So here are 9 full boxes. You got some little boxes down there. You got some layering stuff. You got your date covers, which I really like. You got the bottom washi, which is super cute. You have 3 sets of headers and some boxes. You also got some shapes up top as well. Then here you have some icons, some flags, your checklist, bill dues, sidebar items, weekend banner, and then some washi strips. So that is the base of the kit. This here is from Girl Boss Anna. Let's see if I can pull it off to show you guys what is included. I'm not sure how I'm going to go about this, but these are, turn it this way, these are header length. So So you got like these little bowls. Oop, there you go. So you guys can see it. Those are like header lengths and they're like little bowls. So probably pull this in. I did pull this doll from Paper Dolls. Of course, it's like Sailor Moon inspired. So I just thought I would go with her, even though her colors are a lot richer than this. When else am I going to use it? I need to. So these are all of the like extras that came with this. So this is from Rose Milk Tea. So it says in my space with a little fox. Some cute little items here. This is from the Giving Girl. Her accent color was gold for this release, so I got that. This here is from Simply Said Life. Super pretty. Love that. I believe this is also from Rose Milk Tea. Super cute. This is from My Spoiled Planner. Very pretty. This is one of her icon samplers that she had in her shop, Lilac Luna Plans, as well as this. This is like a really pretty flourish. This is from Letters from Life, so super cute. Definitely going to try to pull that into like the sidebar. And then Starlight Paper Studio. It's also a couple of things from there. So yeah, this is all of the things that came with this. Well, most of the things that I all have like here together. So yeah, this going to be for the second full week of April. All right, this is for the week of April 17th. I'm going to be using this kit from Glam Planner. Okay, clearly. This is a May mystery kit from 2021. So I'm going to use it. I know for Elle, I believe May is her birthday month. So usually all of her kits have some type of like birthday incorporated into it, like maybe an extra box or something of the sort. So I have, I think, 2 birthdays. So I thought this would just be super cute to use. So here are the 8 full boxes. Got the heart checklist, some extra boxes and some functional items, functional page, decos and scripts, her littles, like reformatted, like washi strip label page. You got your littles and icons, bottom washi day covers, and work labels. So that's like the base part of the kit. Of course, with her, whatchamacallit, she always does this. So I love that it has 2 birthday boxes. Since I got 2 birthday days, I'll probably use those. Then you got the double box. You got Fashion Girls. And then some more functional items. And then her choice of foil for this month was a glitter hollow. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. So definitely it's not enough to go over every box, which is great. Then this is for like the bottom washi. I will probably go ahead and use this and just supplement it with hollow, because it's been a while since I've used hollow foil. And then these are the 3 dials. Now, I am thinking about using 2 of them because I do have 2 birthdays. So just based off of this, y'all let me know. Who you thinking? Who you thinking? Who you thinking? Let me know. Let me know. We got Courtney. We have Brandy. And we have BB. I don't know if I am going to end up using 2 or just 1. We'll see. But that's going to be for the 3rd full week of April. All right. And then for the final kit for the month, I have, well, final week of the month, which is cool because the end of April ends on a Sunday. Like, how cool is that, y'all? But this is going to be a kit from Sadie Stickers. It is called Secret Garden. I have all of the things. As you can see, I have the boxes, the journaling, the florals. This is from her advent calendar from 2022. And then I have a couple dolls. I can tell you I will probably be using the journaling kit as well to decorate my monthly. I may not necessarily use it in my weekly spread, but definitely for the monthly, I plan on using it. So let me go ahead and show you guys what the kit looks like. So here is the kit here. You got your 9 full boxes. You got some swatches here. This is in gold foil. You have your bottom washi, days colors. I love like the font of that. It's so nice. So pretty. Love these like little deco pieces here. You have your functional page. So your circles, some squares, some swatches, and actual boxes, all different colors and shapes. Here is her newest format. So she has these scalloped headers as well as 2 sets of regular headers. So you got the line and you got like the floral box that's cut. You got some functional things. You got more swatches, some ovals, some functional things here. You even got those here, which is cool. I'm down with that. And yep, that's it. This is the deco sheets of the journaling page. Super large florals, so freaking pretty. I love that archway, love the swing. Then here, this is the actual like functional sheet of the journaling. Well, it's not foiled. Hello. So yeah, you got stamp swatches, you got your like torn washi, you got some days of the week. So if I wanted to use this instead of those boxes, I could definitely do that. You know, that's an option. And then this very large floral sheet, which is like perfect for me because I think this is almost equivalent to like probably 2 sheets of like the quarter size. So yeah, just absolutely perfect. And then this also did come with these like longer strips and then like the trims for the top of the page. And then this was also in her advent calendar. She had like a sampler, and it's funny because I was actually just looking for this. There's a sampler for like each of the seasons. So this one is spring in the gold colorway. So they are supposed to be like little flowers. I don't know if you guys can really see that. These are like all like little individual cut pages and pieces. And you got like the dividers, the longer strips, and then those dangling pieces. So I got all of the things and we're definitely going to make it work. So I do have another birthday this week. So these are the 3 that I bought. I just felt like could really go with the color. Even though her dress gives me more rose gold vibe, she has a gold balloon, so it kind of goes with the gold in this kit, in my opinion. She's not my top pick, though, I can tell you that. Those are the other ones. These are the 2 that's my top pick. I just feel like her colors really kind of goes with this, and I just love her stance and her attitude. She actually reminds me of my makeup artist that did my makeup for my wedding too, because she actually had locks as well. That's my girl. I love her to death. And then I just love her. She's just like super fancy, going into springtime, fully dressed. Her gold accented pieces here, I just thought would go really well with the gold here. So yeah, you guys let me know what you're thinking. So yeah, that is the last kit for the final week of April. All right, and that is the kit lineup. Like I said in the beginning, let me know which style you would choose and your top 2 picks for kits for me to actually show here on YouTube. Let me know down in the comments down below. You guys like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. You like it, I'll keep doing these videos. Otherwise, I won't do them anymore. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your bell notifications. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.